Good afternoon, friends. Myself Rignesh Tambakwala, and today I am going to present to you a general awareness video. What do you mean by general awareness? General awareness means to be aware to public on various topic, on various features. Say, today I am going to provide you a very important topic that we all want to know: how to become successful and happy. Though those two words are not common for each other, because many of us thinks that those who are successful are not happy, and those who are happy are not successful. So the thing is not common, but there are steps that you can follow and become happy as well as successful. For that, we'll start this session of how to become successful and happy. I will provide you general guidance, the steps, the rules, the 7 rules, the golden rules that makes you successful and happy if you include it in your life. The first golden principle you must remember. The principle is, one day you will be gone. You must remember that life is short and unpredictable. Even I don't know, you don't know, all of us, no one knows that when life will be complete, when life will be get over. In this pandemic situation, we are still very much fearful. We are very much fearful that when life will be complete. But as we all know that life is short and unpredictable, we should live life with fullness. We should never think of what happens in the past and what happened in the future. Must be live in present. That's why the saying says that present is such a thing that is given by God. So that's why it is called present. So here it is a gift for us to live happily, to live fully, with full focus, so that if tomorrow you are not there, if tomorrow I will not there, my good moments, my lovely moments will be remains. My body will vanish, but my lovely moments, my talks, my voice will remain as a spirit in the words of others. So the first golden principle to be happy is, you have to believe that one day you will be gone. So never ever fear. Second, there is nothing you cannot do or have. Even in one person in the whole planet has done that thing, that means you can also do that thing. It is very much possible for you. Though the peoples are there that will tell you that it is not possible for you, but for them you must state this saying that impossible itself states that I am possible. Though it is hard to do thing from impossible to possible, but it is actually done. It can be done only and only if you have a plan. If you create a plan to how to perform that activity and you will willingly to go to that plan, then you will get definitely success. The third part, the third rule, nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. Now, this is the most controversial principle. Everyone has a controversial decision on that, but for my thinking, nothing is worth it if it doesn't make it happy. Means when you are doing something and if it doesn't make you happy, just think whether for the longest period of time does it make you happy. If not, then leave it. If it makes you happy, then continue it. Always remember, always find yourself a person, always find yourself in a way where you will find happiness. So whenever you want to be a fighter, you need to have practice. But at the moment, you must remember, you must decide whether this practice makes you a real fighter, makes you get what you want, makes you feel happy. If it makes you happy, then do it. If it doesn't make you happy, then just again think whether it makes me happy in the longest term, If not, then leave it and go for other plan. So that is the third principle that I have shown you. The fourth principle is be yourself. In this today's environment, I have seen many people are not living life as they want. They are living life like other people are saying. Other people say, look like this, wear like this, walk like this. So they are always listening to others. They are not listening to themselves. So the only way to become successful, to become happy, is to listen in yourself. The only way to be successful is to be you when you are in yourself. Always be yourself, always be positive. The fifth one, everything you need is within you. Many of the person we have seen that has materialistic thing, the things, money, materialistic things, but they are empty from inside because they are not happy. They are finding happiness outside themselves. You must remember that everything is within you. When you find happiness inside yourself, you will find nothing outside. There is a saying, needing nothing attracts everything. When you need nothing, then when you fail also, you feel that, okay, I failed, I don't need that thing. But when you need something and you failed, you will get depressed, you will get sad, you will feel laziness, you will feel angerness. So that is not the way to become happy and successful. The next is surround with good people. Always remove toxic people. The peoples that are surrounding you must be good people, gives you positive energy, gives you good energy, gives you positiveness. If these peoples that provides you positiveness are there with you, you will be successful, because many of the persons are surrounded by toxic people. Though they become successful, that toxic peoples will make them feel laziness, will try to remove their successfulness. So be prepared for such type of people. Always surround yourself with good people. See, there is a saying that there is a lots of space for positive energy in the body, but there is a very little space for negative. If you remove that space, it will nothing happen. But if you remove the positive space, your body will be discriminated. Your body will be removed. So every time, whenever you will face any problem, be positive. Keep in the positive touch. Surround yourself with positive friends, family that will boost your goal, that will boost yourself. The last one and the most important one is whatever you focus, you find. See, if you are focusing for positive energy, you will definitely find it. If you are focusing for good material, you will definitely find it. But if you are focusing for bad things and then you are telling that, yeah, I am getting bad things, you will get the bad things. Whatever you focus your mind, that you will get. So always remember, always focus on good things, always focus on happy things, then you will always succeed, always get happy. So this is the general guidance or general awareness related to how to become happy and how to become successful. I definitely think this video will help you to become successful, and even successful that is happy. Because the last line of my video, it is very important that we all know that happiness is the highest level of success. If you are happy, you will definitely get success. But if you get success and you are not happy, that success is nothing worth for you. So always be happy and always be successful. Thank you.